Today, we're going to learn how to draw a king. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Let's take our pencil and draw a big circle in the middle of your page. On both sides, draw a little semicircle for the king's ears. For his neck, draw 2 short parallel lines at the bottom of the circle. A king needs a cape, so draw 2 sausage shapes that will be used for our reference later on. Next, mark out a faint, straight line that goes down our big circle. Then another line going across the centre of our circle. A king needs a crown, so slightly higher up on our circle, draw another line going across and begin drawing zigzag lines that are connected on both ends. Now it's time to switch to our pen. Let's outline the king's chin. Starting from his cheek, draw all the way down to his chin and bring your pen to his other cheek. Next, draw around both of his ears and connect his neck. Remember our cape? We want it fluffy, so around our sausage shapes, draw small, tiny arches, like you're drawing a cloud. Add in some black specks for those fine details. Moving on to his face, on our middle line going across, find the central point between the middle and both of his ears. Colour in 2 tiny oval shapes for his eyes, making sure they're of similar size. Add on some eyebrows and, using our central point, draw a curved shaped letter L for his nose. For his moustache, draw a wiggly line away from his nose and repeat our fluffy cloud-like lines and join up both sides. Add in a few lines for some extra detail. Time to add in some hair. So from this point of the ear, draw our fluffy cloud shapes up to our crown line and follow this pattern back down to rejoin the ear. Continue this underneath the ear so it's following his face around. Repeat this on the other side. Underneath the ear and getting closer to the head. Lastly, it's time to draw more of our crown. This is where we can add some extra details, like some jewels. He's quite a fancy king after all. Wait for the pen to dry and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a king. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.